Okay, this is the tutorial on the bookkeeping assessment test. Question 1. If your company's finance charge is 1.5% per month, then the annual percentage rate is C, 18%. Next question. A credit entry made to the accounts receivable ledger account would make the balance decrease. Letter A. Next question. A credit from a supplier will decrease the accounts payable account. A. Question 4. Bank fees and charges are examples of C. Expenses. Question 5. An automated accounting system can keep track of accounts receivable, credit card transactions, and bank reconciliations. A. True. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of a liability? A bill from a supplier. Question 7. What is an owner depositing his own money into his business called? A. Capital. Question 8. A credit issued to a customer is a credit to the accounts receivable account. Letter A. Question 9. If you were purchasing office furniture for your office valued at over $500, it should be classified as D, an asset. Question 10. The balance on a company credit card is considered B, a liability. Question 11. A telephone bill is an example of C, an expense. Question 12. Profit occurs when A, your revenue is greater than your expenses. Question 13. If you sell a service for $100, you would debit cash and credit A, revenue. Question 14. An example of a source document is A, an invoice from a vendor. Question 15. Every business needs to choose an annual accounting period that goes for how long? Question C, consecutive 12 months. Question 16. When should you issue a purchase order? Letter A. You should issue a purchase order when you want to make a purchase from a supplier on account. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of an asset? Letter B. Property and cash. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of a fixed asset? Answer is letter D. The building the business owns. Question 19. What is a bill from a supplier considered? Answer is B, liability. Question 20. A bank reconciliation occurs when? Answer C, the checkbook agrees with the bank statement balance. Question 21. An employee is able to change their exemptions how many times a year? Answer is D, as often as they want. Question 22. A chart of accounts shows, answers A, every general ledger account your company uses. Question 23. A debit entry is entered on the letter A, left side. A double entry bookkeeping system consists of letter B, equal values of debits and credits. Question 25. The basic accounting equation formula is B, assets equals liabilities plus equity. Question 26. A loss occurs when, letter B, your expenses exceed your revenue. Question 27. The cash accounting method records revenues in the same period, letter A, that the cash is received. Question 28. Your company's sales invoices show, letter C, the product you are selling. Question 29. If the terms on a supplier invoice are 2%, 10, net 30, how do you receive your discounts? And the answer is C, by paying the supplier within 10 days of the date of the invoice. Question 30. Accounting entries are made up of B, debit and credit entries. Question 31. What is the normal account balance for the accounts payable ledger accounts? Answer is B, credit. Question 32. An owner's draw occurs when, letter C, the cash is withdrawn for the owner's personal use. Question 33. A sole proprietorship business has, letter C, one owner. Question 34. If you are an apartment complex owner, which of the following is your rental income considered? The answer is C, revenue. Question 35. Double entry accounting transactions must always, letter A, be equal. Question 36. What payroll taxes do both the employer and the employee pay? Answer is C, Social Security and Medicare taxes. That's the last question, and this has been the tutorial on the bookkeeping assessment test. Thank you.